Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off emergency alerts on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is scroll up on your home screen and select the setting button. And then you want to go down and select notifications. And then scroll down again underneath where it says wireless emergency alerts. Go ahead and select that. And then if you want to enable or disable emergency alerts, you can turn it on or off by toggling this top option up here that says allow alerts. You can also turn on or off specific subcategories here like severe threats, state and local tests, for example, and then vibration settings as well. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.